How to do photo swipe on TikTok. First of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. Here, you can explore and view TikTok Reels. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on the plus icon in the middle. This is the TikTok camera screen. Here, you can take photos or videos to post on TikTok. Now, go to Media at the bottom right corner. You can choose photos or videos from your camera roll from here. Then, go to the Photos section as shown. Select the photos you want and then tap on Next at the bottom. Here, you can swipe to view the pictures you selected. You can also tap on the plus button to add more pictures. After selecting, tap on Next again. Then edit them as you like using the edit options on the right side of the screen. Then tap on Next. Here, you can add a caption and also manage other settings. You have now successfully posted the pictures to TikTok. Now, go to the bottom panel and tap on Profile. On this page, you can view and edit your profile information. Go to your feed to view the pictures you just posted. Open the post and swipe to view all the pictures. Following these steps, you can easily photo swipe on TikTok.